Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to get USDT on your Phantom wallet. So basically I'll be showing you how to deposit USDT on Phantom wallet. So the only simple way to do that is simple. Click on the Solana over here that you see. Once you click on Solana, click on receive, then copy this address of Solana. So after copying the address of Solana, head over to your Binance application, then click on the wallet section. Now once on the wallet section, click on withdraw, then click on withdraw crypto. So once you click on withdraw crypto, click on the search bar there, then search for Solana. Okay, so right now you're going to search for Solana and then click on Solana, then send via crypto network. So after there, come and paste the address over here. As you paste the address, you'll see over here, and then input the amount you want to withdraw. So after that, come and withdraw your Solana from Binance to Phantom. So after withdrawing your Solana from Binance to Phantom, head over to your Phantom and then swap your Solana on Phantom to USDT. So click on swap. Once you click on swap, you'll see over here, you have to tap on this and then make sure that the first one is Solana over here. So assuming you sent like 5 Solana coins over here on your Phantom wallet, so click on this drop down arrow down over here and then select USDT. So what you're going to do is simple. You're going to be converting from Solana to USDT. All right, as you can see, so I'm assuming you have like you sent 25 Solana coins. Okay, so you'll be converting these 25 Solana coins into USDT, and you'll be having USDT on your Phantom wallet right away. So that's a simple trick on how to do this, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet once again.